Let's say we have a natural base of level 3.0, and the client wants a 5.6 violet shade. Which mixed tone should be added, and in what amount? If we simply apply the 5.6 shade without any mixed tones, the final color may partially shift towards red due to the undertone of the natural base. When working with a natural base, the desired violet direction does not fall into either of the two neutralization groups, but instead belongs to the group of color movements around the color wheel. Color movement helps transform one color into another, avoiding neutralization. The unwanted undertone we're dealing with in this case is red. To shift it closer to violet, we'll use blue mixed on 3 grams per 30 grams of colorant 5.6, with 6% oxidant at the roots and 9% on the length.